Hey all, welcome back to Trade with K. Today we are going to look at RSI. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, and it's an indicator that was introduced by Wells Wilder in the year 1978. It's a very interesting indicator. If you want to know about how it's calculated, I'll put a link in my video. You can check that out. But for the time being, let's look at how to look at it and how do you make your trading decisions based on it. I'm using Thinkorswim platform to view this indicator. All you need to do is edit the studies and type in RSI and click OK. So the platform, what it does, it calculates the RSI values for each day, and it charts out a line chart at the bottom of the screen. The two things that you immediately notice is we have two horizontal lines, each depicting a overbought condition and a oversold condition. So RSI is a momentum indicator. Basically what it means is it looks at the recent price changes to determine whether the stock is going to rally or the stock is going to sell off. And these two levels are the default level based on which that oversold condition or overbought conditions are determined. So when the stock is red, that means it's in an overbought condition, which can indicate that the stock is going to sell off. Then the lines are aqua color. It means the stock is in oversold condition. That means there's a chance that the stock may rally from this point forward. If you look at the famous 2021 bull market, the Tesla stock was in oversold condition from October 13th till November 8th. So that's a lot of days. So basically you cannot make a trading decision only based on this. If you had got into a position on October 13th thinking the stock is going to go down, you might have been in trouble since the stock rallied up for almost 20-30 days after that. But there are times in which this indicator does work out. Like for example, in March, the indicator did say that Tesla is in oversold condition on March 28th, 29th, and within few days the market started to sell off. What this says that is there's a probability that this indicator will let you guide your decisions based on it, but you need to use this indicator in combination with any other indicators to determine when the actual trend change is going to happen, because the market can be in an oversold condition and an overbought condition for a long duration of time. Technically that's infinite, they can stay there for long, but as you saw in 2021, it was in oversold condition for like 21 days. On other occasions it's much lesser than that. So use this as a guiding indicator, but not just the only indicator that you make your decisions based on. So if I were to make a decision on this, probably I would have bought a put option here and the market was at this oversold condition and waited out for 30 days to get profit out of this position. Same thing with oversold condition. When Tesla did hit oversold conditions on December 27th, probably a call option here or a long position here would have ensured that you get profit out of this situation. So overall it's a good indicator, but you can't use it just on its own. You need to combine it with the other indicators or other strategies to get full benefit out of it. Having said that, let's move on to some of the settings that are there on the indicator. If you go back to the studies and click on this gear button, So it shows what you can customize here, and all these values are standard. The overbought condition is set at 70% and the oversold is set at 30%. I usually like to tweak it to 90 and 10 just to remove few noises and make your trading decision even more consistent. So if you look now, it did remove a lot of opportunities as well, but the ones that show up on the screen is pretty good. If you consider this one here, I would have got into a short position right on this candle or this candle, and I could have ride down the trend on the downward side. So that's the power of RSI. Thanks for watching this video. As I said before, hit the like button, subscribe button, bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.